what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today it's another Hellcat POV. You know how we do. We just keep it simple, bro. Just drive the cars, you know. Right now this is definitely a hard time, so if you guys are trying to buy one of these, I would definitely wait after elections and New Year's. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Holy. But yeah, if you guys are trying to buy a Hellcat, I would definitely wait, bro. Save your money. You know, I'll definitely wait until after elections if you guys ever do plan on getting one. And if you guys are hesitant to buy one in general, save your money, guys. These cars are awesome cars, you know, they're fun, but it's not worth going in debt unless you're making really good money. Like, don't get me wrong, bro, driving this car is so therapeutic. It's so nice, you know, just on the weekends, but dude, like it's a waste of money, I'm gonna be honest, guys. You know, obviously I'm doing YouTube, so I'm doing something more with it than just for pleasure purely, but you know, even then, dude, it's like, it's cool. So I just want to motivate you guys just to keep making more, growing more, to a point where this is like, you can get a car and you won't worry about it just like the value going down. Like, holy. Yeah, sometimes I talk to people about like the cars they have. Like, let's say for example I talk to somebody that has an M4, you know, and when people talk to me about like gas or like they're worried about pulling miles on it, I always tell them, dude, if you're worried about gas or mileage, sell the car, because you're gonna lose a lot more money than just the gas, bro. And mileage, like, it brings down the value of the car a good amount, but most of the time not really. So if you're already worried about like a 500 to 1K 3K loss, don't buy the car, bro, because you're gonna lose that money, period. That's just how it goes. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, this street's literally the best. Dude, the supercharger whine is literally everything. Like, the one thing I like about the Shelbys, like the reason why I would want a Shelby, Mustangs are probably one of the best sounding V8s I've ever heard. I'm gonna make my way to the gym, so let's get it. Let's get a little chest or back day right now. So windy today, dude. What the heck? Fall time just started, so literally for some reason like the whine is like, it's low-key a little bit louder. Right now it seems like the whine got a little bit louder from it being fall, so I don't know, but when it's fall time it's so much better, dude. The air is so much more crispy. I don't feel like I'm like destroying this car because it's like way too hot outside. It's actually like, fall time is the best. We'll go hit a quick chest or back day with the homie real quick. He actually has a Mark IV Supra he just got. And I told him to boost it, so maybe like next year or something I'll buy it off of him and boost it myself. Because, dude, boosting a Mark IV Supra is literally the dream, man. That's literally the dream. Done with the gym, bro. Quick little back day. You know, obviously the Supra is stock, you know, so there's not anything like the paint. It's still original paint, which is crazy. But definitely the goal, like his goal is also to boost it, but at the end of the day, we need to focus on making more money before we start just boosting cars for pleasure, you know. So we're both like, you know, he wants to boost it, but he wants to boost it too, and then I'm like, we kind of want to like low-key like partner up and do it together, low-key. So I might do that as well, you know, we'll see. But yeah, definitely put some white tires on it, put a new paint job on it. Definitely get a big, like the biggest single turbo you can buy. Let's go. In 2 weeks, boys, I'm flying out to Germany again for about 3 weeks. So basically next week, man, it's gonna be like 3 videos back to back to back, which is gonna be, you know, I usually don't really like doing those because it makes things not like unoriginal, but it's just not the same, you know, when it's like longer, like. You know, when you have a week to like rest, go work, you know, get new experiences, it's like, you know, every week, there's always something new, you know, always something new I'm learning, I'm growing in, so it's like, there's always something to like talk about, reflect on, you know, what I could do better. I think one thing I've been doing really good at is definitely building good relations with customers, you know, like having a good level of respect, saying certain things, you know, not talk to them like they're your bros. I talk to them like with a good level of respect, and you know, it's been working really well for me. Like, even though I'm really young, I have a lot of customers that like they enjoy me working on their machines. Like, the level of trust is really built up with them. So that's one thing that's been helping me grow a lot, is just having customers actually trust me, because I have so much experience now. Like, it's cool, man. I never thought I'd be at this level. That's crazy. Dude, why are superchargers like so satisfying to listen to? Have you guys ever seen like YouTube videos of people drifting? This is like one of the main spots, and they literally look what they build in the road. I'm sure, you know, somebody could come here and just break it off, but I don't know if someone's got that much effort. Because I'm gonna be honest, bro, every time we come here, if there's ever like some kind of car meet going on over here, bro, it gets shut down within 3 minutes. I've never seen a car meet last longer than 3 minutes here, ever. Cops are hella active in this area. Goodness, bro, that feels so insane, man. Yeah, definitely, bro. Every single car I've ever been to, you know, obviously there's other cars, other Mercedes-Benz that are sick, but nothing competes with this car, bro. It's like such a unique feeling. It's weird, bro. It's gripping right now. I'm actually surprised. It usually doesn't grip, like, it usually grips like decently, but I'm catching speed a lot faster than usually, bro. Usually I'm driving in track mode, which actually slows down the RPMs, but when you're in sports mode, it usually slips more. So I'm actually surprised, like, It's doing good right now. Holy. This is way too loud, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I get anxiety driving this car because of, like, I'm in California, you know. A car this loud, bro, is it's not supposed to be this freaking loud in California, man. And this car, like, is way louder than M5. And you know, M5 has like 4 liters. A Hellcat has 6.2, which is like, that 2-liter difference changes it. It makes it way louder, bro. Like, I wish the M5 would sound this freaking loud. Actually, no, when I think about it, bro, the M5 is actually pretty freaking loud, but this is like on a whole nother level, bro. Like, it's scary, bro. I'm gonna be honest. It's scary driving this freaking thing. Dude, the weather is so nice in California, bro. It's so bright, but it's actually like the air, like the way the air feels is like really crispy. It just feels so good. Driving the car, like driving my cars at nighttime, bro, is like all I care about doing. Like, for some reason, when you drive the cars at nighttime, bro, it seems loud, like low. It sounds a bit louder, low key, bro. Definitely the whines get louder, bro, because I know that my turbo spools on M5 definitely get a little bit louder at night. Whether it gets louder or not doesn't really matter, bro. Driving at nighttime, I don't know what it is. It's like therapeutic. Alright, boys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.